This is the Aqara multi-state sensor, the P100. I'm about to install it on one of my garage doors. We're going to see how well it can let me know not only the state of the door, but also the other thing I'd like for it to do is activate a light in the garage. I like the fact that Aqara has included an extra set of adhesive strips so you can install this on something else when you need to. The only thing you've got to do to activate this is remove the tab here for the battery itself, and you can either use one of the two QR codes that are on here, or you can just use your Aqara app. I think I'm going to choose Zigbee for the pairing. It found it automatically. I hit next. So you see it's on the switch, it's on the thread protocol, so I'm going to switch to Zigbee and let it do its thing.
Please add accessory. Accessory indeed successfully.
Okay, that was easy to connect. I mean, literally when I pulled the battery tab out, it automatically found it and connected without any effort whatsoever. I didn't even have to use the QR codes. After removing the tab, I get this flashing blue light here, and that means it's ready to pair. So we're going to try to pair it with the Aqara app. Looks like it's giving me a pretty helpful on-screen guide to set this up. So we're going to go down here and we're going to hit next on this. And it's asking me the things that I'd like to set it up to monitor. So I'm going to go through and select those. This looks like just a simple thing of choosing what you'd like for it to do. I want to do open and close monitoring and use it to check the status of my door, to turn a light on, and to check to see if the door's open or closed. I'm going to mount it next to the window on my garage door. And before I do, I'm going to clean it off with a little alcohol. And I'm about to place it on the door in a vertical position. I think we'll put it just like that on the door. So that's pretty easy installation so far. I'm going to do the next step. Wants to be sure I'm installed vertically. Press the top button on the device 3 times for manual calibration. The blue light on the device will flash and then stay on for 2 seconds. So we're going to push it 3 times and see how it does. Let's take a shot here. I'll go 1, 2, 3. Okay, for proper calibration, you're going to need to come up and push this button 3 times really fast. It's going to flash. Then you're going to get 2 seconds solid, and now it's calibrated. And we're good to go.